Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to clear your search history on the LinkedIn app for PC after the new update. If you've been searching for people, jobs, or companies and want a fresh start, clearing the search history is the easiest way to do it. Let's get started step by step. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you have the latest version of the app, since the steps may look slightly different if it's outdated. Once the app is open, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or the Me icon. Click on this icon to open up your personal menu. From there, look for the option that says Settings and Privacy. A new page will open with different categories. What you want to do next is go into the Data Privacy section. This is where LinkedIn stores most of your data preferences, including your search activity. Now, inside the Data Privacy section, you'll find an option labeled Search History. Click on it, and you'll see all the searches you've made recently within LinkedIn. This includes profiles, companies, job postings, and anything else you've looked up using the search bar. At this point, clearing your history is just one click away. Choose the option Clear Search History. A confirmation message will show up asking if you're sure you want to remove all your search activity. Go ahead and confirm it. Once confirmed, LinkedIn instantly deletes your saved search history. That means your previous searches won't show up anymore when you start typing something in the search bar. It gives you a completely fresh beginning, and it also keeps your search activity private if you prefer not to have it saved. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've cleared your LinkedIn search history on the PC app. Thanks for watching.